Good morning, children of class 9th. I welcome you all to the virtual class of geography learning. Before we reach to the chapter latitude and longitude, kindly listen to the short poem on Mother. Mother, God's prime incarnation, a cradle of well-being, a blend of earth and sky. Her love, well protected, she provides child the wings to fly, dreams to excel, smile to make others own, restricts all worldly dangers. It is aptly said, God is not everywhere, He made mother. ଏବେ ଶୁଣ ଅନୁଗଳ୍ପଟିଏ। ଥରେ ପିଲାଟିଏ ବର୍ଷାରେ ଓଦା ହୋଇ ଫେରିଲା। ବାପା ତାର କାନମୋଡ଼ି ଚଟକଣିଟିଏ ମାରିଲେ। ଭଉଣୀ ବି ତାକୁ ଢେର ଗାଳି କଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ମା ପିଲାଟିର ଓଦା ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ନିଜ ପଣତ କାନିରେ ପୋଛି ଦେଇ ମେଘକୁ ଗାଳି କଲା। ତତେ ଏତିକି ବେଳେ ବର୍ଷିବାକୁ ଥିଲା ମୋ ପିଲା ଫେରିଲା ବେଳେ? ବାସ୍ ଏହି ହିଁ ମା ସବୁଠାରୁ ନିଆରା। ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମାଟିଏ ଚିରନମସ୍ୟ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Now children, come to the topic latitude and longitude. In this context, I want to emphasize some important questions. First, what is grid? A grid is a network of latitudes and longitudes developed on the map or globe. You look at this illustration. These lines are all latitudes and they are equidistant, and these lines are longitudes. They are also equidistant. Equidistance is maintained in between them, and this network is said to be a grid. And the purpose of grid is to locate an object on the Earth's surface or on the globe. Now look at this globe. This globe, you see, here parallel lines are drawn. They are said to be the latitudes, and these longitudes connecting both the poles, North Pole and South Pole. Clear? And they produce a network, and this network is said to be the grid. And each line is numbered. Suppose latitude. Every latitude is numbered and every longitude is numbered. And the purpose of grid is to locate an object on the Earth's surface. Clear? Now what is latitude? Latitude is an imaginary line of angular distance which is measured from the equator in terms of the center of the Earth. Now look at this illustration. This is globe, this is the center of the Earth, and this one is equator. Clear? And these lines are the latitude lines, and they are drawn at different angles. Clear? When it is asked what is the latitude of Brahmapur and how to draw, you know the latitude of Brahmapur is 19 degree north. Clear? Now to promote 19 degree north on the globe, what is to be done? You see, first you, with the help of a rounder or your compass, draw a circle. Clear? And this is center of the Earth. Now draw a horizontal line connecting the center of the Earth, and this line is equator. Clear? Now to promote 19 degree north on the globe, what is to be done? First you take your protector. You know what is protector? This is protector. Look at this. And here you put and mark on either side 19. Suppose this is your protector, and this side 19 degree and this side 19 degree. Now you remove your protector. Then you connect the center of the Earth and this point and extend this line to the outer circle. Similarly, center of the Earth, obtain 19 degree point, then you extend the line to the other side, and we get 2 points on either side. With the help of scale, you connect these two lines, and this latitude is 19 degree north. You see, this angle is 19 degree. As such, it is 19 degree north latitude. Once again I summarize. Latitude is an imaginary line of angular distance. What is angular distance here? 19 degree north, clear, or 19 degree, clear. And it is a line. It is an imaginary line of angular distance measuring from equator in terms of the center of the earth. So latitude is produced, and this is your latitude, your Brahmapur. Clear? Do you know, children, how many latitudes are evidenced on the globe? There are 181 latitudes. 90 latitudes on the northern hemisphere, 90 latitudes on the southern hemisphere, and equator itself. So 90 plus 90, 180, and equator itself. Clear? So 181 latitudes are evidenced on the globe. But significant latitudes are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. You know the figurative value of equator. Equator 0 degree latitude, Tropic of Cancer is 23 half degree north latitude, and Tropic of Capricorn is 23 half degree south latitude, and your Arctic Circle is 66 half degree north latitude, and Antarctic Circle is 66 half degree south latitude. Clear? And the very purpose of all latitudes, the primary purpose is to locate an object on the globe, and thereby also we know the climate of a place, the costume pattern and the food habits of the people, and human activities also. Now children, what is longitude? Longitudes are the imaginary lines of angular distance east or west of the prime meridian. Look at this illustration. This is prime meridian, 0 degree longitude, and this side is east and that side is west. Now I develop this line, and this line is promoted to the east of prime meridian, so it is east longitude. Similarly, I draw another line, and that is seen on the west of the prime meridian. Clear? And this is west longitude. In this context, we have 360 longitudes on the globe. Clear? And its purpose is to locate an object on the globe. At the same time, it tells about the different times in the different parts of the globe. Clear? Now children, how to locate Brahmapur on the globe or on the map? Now look at this side. Suppose this is a latitude and it is 19 degree north, and longitude of your Brahmapur is 84 degree east. Clear? 19 degree north latitude and 84 degree east longitude. Where they intersect, now look at this. 19 degree north, a parallel line, and 84 degree east, a vertical line, and both the lines intersect here, and this is the locational point of your Brahmapur. Clear? Now, how is time calculated? You know children, Earth is a spherical object, it manifests 360 degree, and you know all the longitudes are drawn at 1 degree interval. As such, we have 360 longitudes. Clear? Now see, longitudes are drawn on the globe, and they are equispaced, and at 1 degree interval they are promoted. And you know the earth spins from west to east and make a complete rotation. That means 360 longitudes are covered in 24 hours. 360 longitudes are covered in 24 hours, and in 1 hour it can cover 360 by 24, so 15 longitudes. So in 1 hour Earth covers 15 longitudes. In other words, one longitude can be covered in 60 minutes divided by 15 and 4 minutes. So the time difference between two longitude is 4 minutes. Time differs from longitude to longitude by 4 minutes. Clear? What is local time? You know the sun's overhead time is the local time. Sun reaches to its zenith or the highest position at noon, and when we adjust the time by seeing the sun's overhead position, that becomes local time. And local time differs from longitude to longitude by 4 minutes. In Indian context, there are 30 longitudes and we have 30 different local times. Clear? But if you follow the local times, then it causes all sorts of difficulties. Clear? And to avoid this, a uniform time is ascertained, or that is said to be a standard time. The local time of the mid-longitude of a particular zone is considered as the standard time of that place. Indian context, 82 half degree east longitude and its local time is considered the standard time of whole India. As such, the uniformity in time all over India is ascertained to avoid all sorts of confusion like the train timing, TV timing and day-to-day work also facilitated by this standard time. Clear? Now children, some geographical problems or some geographical sums. Now look at this board. What is the clock reading of place A located at 34 degree east when it is 6:28 am at place B on 12 degree west? To solve this problem, what is to be done? Now see the diagrammatic approach of this sum. First, this is prime meridian, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere, and place A is located on the eastern hemisphere 34 degree east. Clear? 34 degree east. Place is A, but time is unknown. Time is unknown. But on the other hand, place B is located on the western hemisphere 12 degree west and its time is 6:28 am. Clear? To solve this problem, what is to be done? First, get the longitudinal difference between the two places, place A and place B. Clear? Longitudinal differences. Longitudinal differences between place A and B is 12 plus 34. Clear? Longitudinal difference between place A and place B is 12. This side 12 longitudes and this side 34 longitudes. 12 plus 34. So total is your 46. 4 plus 2 6 and 3 plus 1 4. So total 46. And you know Earth covers one longitude in 4 minutes. One longitude in 4 minutes. Therefore 46 longitudes are to be covered in 46 into 4. Clear? Now what you get? Total 184 minutes. So 46 longitudes are to be covered in 184 minutes. Now convert into hours and minutes. So 184 by 60. So 3 hours 4 minutes. 3 hours means 60 into 3 180 and rest 4. 184 minus 180 is 4. So total hour is 3 hours and minute is 4 minutes. Now come to this point. Here you see place A 34 degree east is located to the east of place B. Therefore time gap is to be added. Here time of B is 6:28. Clear? And time gap is ascertained 3 hours 4 minutes. Now make a complete total. Clear? 9:32 am. Now clear? The time at the place A is 9:32 am. Clear? Now children, come to the second problem. Look at this board. what is the time at place X 51 degree east when it is 8:48 p.m. at place Y on 73 degree east longitude. To its diagrammatic approach, you see, this is prime meridian and place X is located in the eastern hemisphere 51 degree east. So 0, 1, 2, 3, this way somewhere 51 degree east, place X, and time is unknown. And place Y 73 degree, this side 51, 52, this way 73 degree east, and place Y and time is 8:48 p.m. Now you see children, both the places X and Y on the same hemisphere. Clear? So in order to get the longitudinal difference, you need to subtract, clear, 73 minus 51. So 22. So longitudinal gap between two places is 22. As you know, Earth covers one longitude in 4 minutes. 22 longitudes to be covered into 22 into 4, 88 minutes. Now convert into hours and minutes. 88 by 60, 2 hours 20, 88 by 60, 1 hour 28 minutes. Clear? 1 hour 28 minutes. Now come to this point. Here time of place is 73 degrees is 8:48 p.m. Time of 51 is unknown, and here you see 51 longitude is located to the west of place Y. Therefore, time is to be deducted. The time gap 1 hour 128 minutes to be deducted. Here you see the time here 8:48 p.m. minus time gap is 1 hour 28 minutes. So here you see 7 hours 20 minutes or 7:22 p.m. So time at place 51 degree east is 7:20 p.m. Clear? Now children, today this much, but listen carefully your corona tips. Stay home, do not roam, wash hands 20 seconds, wear a mask, no corona risk, keep social distancing, get God's blessings. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.